Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make egg yippee noodles. Start by boiling noodles until just tender, then drain and toss with a little oil to prevent sticking. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, and chop vegetables and aromatics. Heat a wok or skillet until hot, add oil, cook aromatics, then scramble eggs and add noodles. Finish with sauce, toss thoroughly, and garnish before serving for a bright, homey meal. Warm and friendly here. Heat your wok until it shimmers, then add oil and aromatics like garlic and scallions. Fry vegetables on high for a crisp tender bite, then push them aside and scramble the eggs briefly. Add noodles and sauces, tossing constantly to coat and heat through. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt or a splash of soy, then plate and garnish with fresh herbs or sesame for an extra pop. Keep your sauce simple. Soy sauce, a touch of sesame oil, and a little sweetener balance well. If you like heat, add chili paste or sliced chilies to taste. For richer flavor, toss in a bit of oyster sauce or fish sauce sparingly. Swap proteins and vegetables freely to match what you have on hand, and always taste at the end to tweak saltiness or acidity for a balanced, satisfying bowl of egg yippee noodles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.